I'm very excited for this package that I received today because it's from Jowua, the new sponsor of this YouTube channel. If you are a Tesla fan, you probably know that Jowua makes very high quality Tesla accessories. And they contacted me, offered to send me a couple of products to review, and this is it. A bit more over here. Okay, so what do we have here? A lot of goodies. So this should be the under-screen invisible station. This is the biggest box in the package. These little three fellas are the hook bundle. Glove box hook, trunk hook, and magnetic car seat holder. I'm mostly excited for these two. These are the multi-device wireless controllers. I've tested the controllers in the car, but I'm not like keeping any PS or Xbox controllers around, and whenever I want to play something, I never have a controller on hand. This should make up for it, and this should work pretty well. And of course, we have a USB hub. This comes in handy when you use the receiver for these controllers, because you can only plug it in into the glove box where you have the only data USB. So if you don't want to unplug the USB stick that's used to record the Sentry footage, you kind of need a USB hub for it. So this is what this is for. You can also use the controllers, I guess, to connect them via Bluetooth, but then you will take up some Bluetooth space. Let's go and unbox them one by one and see what's inside. So, the glove box hook and trunk hook. Let's see what do we have inside. Of course, you will have a discount promo code in the description for 5% discount on all Jowua products. Okay, so not much inside, just some metal hooks that look really good. They have some soft padding on the inside, so won't damage the actual glove box. The next one, the trunk hook, I guess it's kind of the same. Applying some brute force. Okay, so this comes with inside this foam material, and those are only metal without the padding part. They look and they seem like very high quality. I cannot like compress them if I press. As I told you, from the less exciting ones to the most exciting ones. Okay, I need my Sharpie for this one. Let's see, what is this? Magnetic car seat holder. Okay, I think you stick it on the back of the car seat for the back seat passengers. And this should be magnetic. These are plastic, but they look very good. Nice. Now, the second box, the biggest box. The under-screen invisible MagSafe organizer. Okay, I see the tape here. Whoa, lot of stuff. Another two boxes. Oh, this is something else. Oh, another power hub. Portable LED light. This is exciting. USB-C to USB-C cables. and the actual thingy itself. So I'm guessing that this goes like this under your screen. Whoa, and you have a rubber padding on it. Something which looks like it should be some kind of placeholder for a magnetic thingy. Here. Okay, the power hub. It has two USB-C ports and a USB-A, and the USB-C are labeled 30 watts and 20 watts. And some double-sided tape. Yeah. Nice. What else is in the box? I'm guessing some cables. Yeah, cable of some, yeah, a USB-C to USB-C cable. This should be the portable LED light. Magnetic based. Ooh. Charge this product with a wireless charging pad to activate the battery. So I think, therefore I am, that this sticks here. The gamepads. Actually, those are gamepads. Wireless controllers, gamepads. Oh, the light went on again. I have to read the manual. Definitely, I have to read the manual. Ooh. This is better. It feels nice. And also a USB-C to USB-A cable, and you also get the USB-A to USB-C adapter, the USB receiver. That's why you need this. So you have two receivers, two USBs, and then an extra USB for the thumb drive that records the sentry footage. If this is a USB-C hub, then that's why you have the adapter. If it's not, whoa, this looks also, this feels and looks quite premium. It's metal, like this other one. Yeah, so this goes in your glove box, and you have one USB-A, two USB-As, three USB-As. So I would put the thumb drive here because it's a blue USB-A. I think this is USB 3.0, and then two USB 2.0s, and then something that looks like a micro SD card slot. So I might be able to use a micro SD card for the sentry footage. I will test that and see. But this one looks nice. I cannot wait to test this one out. I think I will be testing every game that's available on the Tesla infotainment system, and I will try to see how it works. I've never played the game using the controller because I'm not keeping my PS controller inside the car. I need it inside the house. That's it. See you in the next video where I will install them on the car, and I will go through each one of them and give you a comprehensive review. But thank you for watching. Hope you liked it, and see you soon. Hey, me again. Just found out that in this box for this USB hub, there was this little fella, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and also found the instructions for how this LED works. So you're supposed to tap once for 60% brightness, tap twice for 100% brightness, and tap one more time for the back LED. Pretty neat. That's it. See you in the next video.